How to remove profile picture on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to remove profile picture on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. So if not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. And now, before we proceed, unfortunately, TikTok still doesn't have an option in which you may be able to remove your profile picture. However, what I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So now, once you have done updating your TikTok app, you may go to Google Chrome and search for default profile picture or default PFP right here. So you may see a lot of different options right here. So make sure to choose one and then download one. And then now, once you have downloaded it, go to TikTok, go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then click on your profile picture right here. And then click on this edit button right here or this pencil icon right here. And now you may choose the profile picture that you want or that you have downloaded right here. So click on that downloaded image and then you may also drag or zoom in or zoom out your picture. And now you may click on save found on the lower right corner of the screen and wait for it to upload. So once it is done uploading, as you can see now, my profile picture is on the default profile picture, and then that's it. That's how you can remove profile picture on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.